People.
Yeah.
But the sinker cut off and
Guys,
barra.
see Uncle catch a nice one.
When people see me, big lizard fish. And we almost 1 pound. People, that one is an excellent catch. Coffee venomous spike off of them. You see them here? Very dangerous. So you clip them. Go on. So yeah man people,
Yes,
hook up again in a peeps. That's a whole yeah man people, what's up? Go on my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, welcome back to another video. Yeah man people, so this evening we'll do some more fish trap pulling. Yeah man, so I go ahead and go out on the water right here now guys. And life with camera. So you can see me right out here. So you need to see from earlier. Yeah man, so I'm going to pick me up. Yeah man, so I want to say welcome to all the new viewers, all my new subscribers. Yeah man, welcome. So now come and go ahead and pick me up. And so just stay tuned for that. So yeah man guys, we're finally reaching our boat people. Wet up!
Wet! You say captain or hot? The last time the captain hot and the boat turn over. Take it
out.
out.
Swim! Yeah. So you go peep, so yeah, man, we are head out now. We are going to do a little ground line fishing before we draw the fish trap them. Yeah, man, so we're going to stay tuned. So yeah man peep, so we are bait up the first line. Yeah, man. We are use shrimp, otherwise we call out here janga. Yeah, man, so me get him pin on the line. And we are use 2 hooks. So we can get a double catch. Like other people see. We can catch a lovely fish on the first job, so we'll send it off now. And gone overboard.
Guys, yes or no hot?
Alright people,
the shrimp
I don't feel no because yet no bite, so
no, I feel no bite that.
we're going to change the location peeps. Here I are dead. Like no movements down there, so those sketch when I reach our next location. People, so finally reach a new spot now, so send down back your line. Man, hopefully that spot here better. Man, send him down. It's a long time I never fishing like this, couple months.
It's a long time?
Man, a couple months. Yeah man, people, so I start feel bite now.
You start feel bite?
Yeah, I feel a little bite a while ago. One peeps, so take up one here guys.
Take one nice bird.
Yeah, man, take up a butterfish.
Nice butter.
Yeah, man. Strawberry group, but we call them butterfish. And see here. First one.
Guys, I'm going to bait up the line and I'm reach from the location.
First one peeps.
We are going to drop off, you know. Come on, come.
Man peeps, so I bait again and I send down back. And see if we can catch another one, or 2, or 3.
Come on, we get a bite guys, we get a bite. Get a bite. Yeah man, we're not sure if that one is big. Only funny, you know.
Alright.
But in small.
Small.
Small, I wait for the next hook to connect.
Fish one, they come bite, you're not hungry. Come and bite man, come and bite.
Fish is small here, someone.
Yeah man, we drift down back from the sun.
Ah, me have one guys, me have one. Sure, me have one.
One.
I go through him half back.
It's about half pound size.
Half pound, him not even weigh 2 ounces. I throw him body back guys.
And they're too big.
Too small.
Yes guys, I feel like I have one more. And let's see what it is. It's a baby butterfish, people.
We have to move from here.
Look at small, people. Tiny. Small. I'm gonna release him.
That is a must.
Release him, guys. Here, tiny. So, one go grow. So, I'm gonna change the location again, people. I want some bigger fish. Guys, look a nice one, people.
I have one over there.
I'm gonna feel real nice. Yeah, man, real nice. Feel like him a float now.
Feel like him a float
How
now?
deep him a come from, people. No float, but he feel like him a swim or him come off.
You know, come on, man. I must want to drop them too.
Maybe. And peeps, so let's see how when he come up. See people, is a lizard fish, you know, people.
Let me see him.
Oh,
It's a nice lizard, you know.
Yeah, man, and a
Yeah,
bait
nice
this
lizard
too, you know,
fish,
people.
nice bait. Yeah, man, we use the one there. We put in a deep water.
Big lizard fish,
yeah,
people.
Man. I drop one line right away.
When people see me, big lizard fish. And we almost 1 pound. Big. So you have a monster, people, so make we see when it come up, because I prove we deal with it, you know.
Prove that I want me to go do, uncle. Me have to prove, yeah.
Alright. Let's see when you up to, people.
Monster!
Big yellow jack.
Monster!
Peeps. Oh, nice yellow jack.
Nice yellow jack! Wanna talk to me good? Yeah, man, see there? I have to make sure the next guys don't hear me, you know, because they over there.
So yeah, man, people,
Yes,
hook up again, you know, peeps. Because I hope say I know one more lizard fish. Yeah, man, I wanna feel like I want jack. Yeah, man, the head shape feel like jack. But it feel like it come off, you know, peeps. Feel like it come off, people. You know, say Barra can cut off the fish off the line. Yeah. Feel like Barra take him. Or my son.
The buju there.
So we must swim, people.
Yeah.
But the sinker cut off and
Guys,
Barra.
see, Uncle catch a nice one.
Man. If you redeem
Yeah,
yourself.
man, a nice one. See, man?
Well,
yeah,
peeps.
Man.
But one Barra could have cut off his sinker, you know, people.
Star here come up right away.
This.
Oh, you see nothing, Jim? Jim Star?
When you shoot?
Water dirty. What?
Shoot a big chub.
Take up the string up, see it then. Yeah, man, he catch a nice.
Shoot a nice chub.
Nice one. Yeah, man, with chub. Guys, look
nice
on there. You fat and lovely. Yeah, man.
Yeah, peeps. Nice yellow jack. Barra cut off the line, you know, peeps. See there with the sinker. Man, he cut it off. But I get the fish, so that I best thing.
Go on.
Go on, hold up. Alright.
Party number. Oh, here is one record. You know the record? Good deal. Oh, we are over the sea now.
People, so
courage catch me already.
Reach on the first spot, people, not try to get you up right now, boy. Vibe's gone, but still a try. Night I will catch me, it look like all rain will come. So afraid of courage. Courage and company.
No sound good though. No sound good. No, well, you see, no bad thing. I just see it go straight to you.
Man, it's
Shut off, man. Go around. Go crashing around.
So, man, peeps, so just stay tuned till the pot reach up. People still a draw. I know the pot reach up. Man, I don't know say how deep them pot here come from. This come like 600 feet to 650. We live in one dark place.
Deep!
Super deep. But I look a bit muscle, you know. Just go and stay tuned, people. The people pot finally reach up.
Why? After 1 million miles away, the pot there.
Finally.
Boy? Fishing iron?
I not even know. What think?
Why? You don't look so hot. One.
Help him.
One in there.
One single one.
So let's see. So far.
Sorry, bud.
Voila.
Two of them.
What did you do?
Two
Lobster.
Two lobster and two bowl there.
Judge of God.
Put a stick there.
Come
No,
no,
look. People were wait up back the pot. The pot here look like the pirate then dry before we. It look like a feed them one. Them we are set it for. So we are getting bait up back. See bait them here.
I put no more bait in that. Nobody overfeed them because pirate
so,
them at work.
You're gonna feed them pot and a fool. So we are getting bait up back and set it back.
Yeah.
Right, people don't bait up back the pot and take out the two fish them. So we are set it back. The pirates them at work. So like a them we are work for. So see bait them here. Get them in there swing. Coconut them. And two lobsters we are leave them in there. Now take them out. So like in a gear. So I'm going to stay tuned.
Explain to me.
Today I really struggle.
Everywhere.
Every single way.
From
Engine I
morning,
get trouble.
from morning, you know, me I work on the power wash now. I'm going to transfer over one. It's something to fix the next one, you know.
Yeah.
You know, I start, I forgot road 2 times, you know. And I still not get to more. I have to come back and go rig up something. I have to plug for and put the stove to start, you know. But we just have to wash the truck today.
Yeah.
Come tell them boy if they want it, I can carry them and then go see left me. Because I have to wash the truck because we have to pick up something tomorrow. So instead of wait, wash the truck good.
One here. Look nice.
Look good.
There's no trouble at one here.
Night.
Your best friend in night, man.
Yeah, man, my best friend in night with you.
Lion them.
Shiny.
Right there.
Yeah, man, the butter going good, guys.
Turn now, turn the other way. Watch your lion on your finger.
Yeah, man, I see him. And he come near, you know?
You see it?
I'm not flying.
Yeah. So they left that one and food them. You know, beat with right to it. Yeah, I see what go on, man. Splash up water. You see ready? Yeah. People, that one is an excellent catch. You have to take them out and make enough people see what go on right here because at night can't really show no. That one go on good. Really good.
One more.
So we get them out.
Well, aye.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, people, so the lionfish them, you take off the venomous spike off of them. Because you see them here, very dangerous. So, you clip them off. Yeah, man, so I use the scissors and go ahead and clip them off. So I drop them back in the igloo and then I dispose of them after. Yeah, man, so
One worm.
one. Yeah, man, peeps. So I get rid of them and show you guys. Then after I'm showing you the full catch. Yeah, man, so if you made this far in the video, guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah, man, I really appreciate all of the viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, thanks a lot. Yeah, it wasn't a good day, guys, because other fishermen a jar we fish trap them. As we are showing in the video, you can see them jar one of the fish trap because it moved from where we set it and go further more up the sea. Yes, so those are some things that we have to deal with as a fisherman. So yeah, man, peeps, here me have another lionfish. Man, so me I get off the venomous spike them. And these fish are very delicious, you know, guys. Man, just spike them, then just need to get off, and they are very delicious. Very fleshy, very tasty, and the meat is tender. It is very tender, peeps. Come on, guys, so as I tell you now, we have to deal with the pirates them at sea. Imagine how fish trap them. So what I will go see more while empty fish trap we are going to find. And that's very unfair, guys, because it's very expensive to build fish traps, because you have to buy the wire, we have to buy a stick, and all that, buy rope, so it's very expensive. And if you have a fisherman a jar of fish traps, that's not right. Yeah, man, but that's where I go still. Oh, God bless, no man curse. So yeah, peeps, this is the last one. The last lionfish here, I have a cut off his spike them. Yeah, man, so I'll get off the spike them off the other one here and just go ahead and show you guys the final catch. Yeah, man, almost finished. I'm getting nice and clean. Yeah, man, nice and clean, guys. Yeah, man, people, you know what's reaching now at night, as you can see. This I catch me that show now a while ago. I cut off the spike them off a lionfish. Yeah, man, the pirates they're ready with today.
Yeah, man, enjoy our pot.
We still managed to catch a few.
Yeah, man, they're nice.
Man, so nice goal there, people. Look for them.
Then we have one
nice
weigh 1 pound or 2 pound.
Yeah, man, that one weigh 1 pound. And this is the close one. Yeah, man, a nice little catch.
Nice little catch out of one of the pot them.
Yeah, and then we have with a catch funny online.
Yellow jack.
So nice yellow jack. Very tasty. Yeah, so that is it. So now just stay tuned to the next video. Yeah, man, until then, catch you in the next one.